Manipur Petroleum Dealers Fraternity has assured that there is no shortage of fuel and supply of petroleum in the state, and it will normalize within few days. It has clarified that closure of oil pumps in the past few days was due to new changes made by Centre on guidelines and system. Speaking in this regard at Manipur Press Club today, convener of the fraternity, Laishram Jugendra, maintained that due to crisis in Middle East, new guidelines have been issued by Centre, and due to this, every oil pump gets supply for 1 day, as against 2 to 3 days of stock earlier. Government and oil company have given instructions to oil pumps to sell 5,000 litres of petrol and 50 litres of diesel per day. Further, the fraternity has urged people to avoid panic buying.
Company supply continuous misconception stock Ado aina mamang da panjagi bujani pam da di stock se 1 day gi stock tagi hen lai jadabni joji lai se ibam jida khayuna kanda paisa gi financial issue su lai re koi jida adagi company gi house si ji indian se loina bu pi bangam da be issue su lai re ani jina maram oraga koina nomu gi ka maram ni na koina pamjing jida yo le je nomu gi lai jari be stock loina bu gi on jabane ada koina tongana plek ta na tra tongan ba pamjing jida gi adune habitu ti ke su lai jade ado pamjing jadi punglauna hangaga open sale da to banga tane license paraga open sale da to banga tane masida kona tumine yon thupa adu to bada to have jom to bulai jati